So it's okay, but yeah, it was purple and blue, and then it came to like this blue color. I wanted it to be a purple color. I wanted it to be a purple glimmer. Glimmer. Okay. But this light blue is still very cute. Let's move all of this to the floor. I'm not gonna put those on the floor because those are fun. I'm sweeping up everything. Even the purple ones. I'm sorry, guys. I have to. Well, I don't really have to, but I need to. Because I need you to need me. Sorry. Okay. Look at this. Let's do some ASMR. Oh, never mind. We do not do ASMR without the charm. But don't go back to the first one because we definitely didn't do it without the charm. Should I use my feet? No. I think I'm gonna have to. Okay, that's good. Squishmallow. I'm pretty sure I have a squishmallow and I think I lost it. Sorry. Yeah, I did have a squishmallow, but I lost it. I'm sorry, Squishmallow. If y'all see me, just give me a new one, please. Sorry. If y'all see this video, Squishmallow, I love your slime, and I would love a new Squishmallow. But they're not gonna see it, so. So cool. So fabulous. Let's now do the ASMR. Thank you. Okay. Oh, look at this bubble. Oh, it went away already. Let's go. Y'all hear it? I hope y'all hear it. My hands smell so good. This could be my perfume. Hold on. Don't let me find out. Squishmallow got a perfume now. Comment down below if it got perfume, cause honey, I would love to know. Cause I am buying it. Whenever and tell me where it is if they do have it. In Amazon, on Shein, on AliExpress, or in Claire's. Any store, anything will do. Cause honey, oh, honey, I really would literally die for it. Not die for it, but yeah, you know what I mean. And my birthday was just in February, so late birthday gift. But guys, just look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oops. Okay, I think that's enough. This should have been cotton candy scented. But where is the thingy? Thingy-mabobby? I might put lotion in these. Okay, so now we are done. So cute. So now, get out the way. We have the one and only axolotl. And now this is cotton candy scent. What am I talking about? Now this is cotton candy scented. But guys, we're gonna pause and take a little wash hand break because look at my nails and hands. We're gonna go wash them because, honey, wash time! Hey guys, I am back better than ever. And I washed my hands. Now they're smelling like soap and water, so we can have the best scent for the last one. And honestly, the best one to me. But don't tell nobody, cause oh, I forgot to rate that one. Now that one is an 8 point. I'll say 8.9. Like 1 point away from being a 9. I could smell it through here. Why does this have to be the hardest thing to open? I'm sorry, guys. My dentist is not gonna like that. Oops. This is sticky. I'm in a sticky situation. But look at this. I'm trying to take it off my hand. And it was stuck on my hand. Okay. Don't tell me something. I could have went the pink. I could have like saved the pink for this. Cause why is there blue? I don't want blue, I want pink. I wonder what I was gonna say I wonder what the squishmallow is gonna be. But obviously an axolotl. I don't even know why I asked that question. I wanna know if the axolotl was gonna have blue in it. Until I find out, it has like a green in it. It has like a green on it, and not even a greenish blue. It's kind of like this. I think it's like a bluish green. This. But yeah. Guys, for everyone, do you see that little pattern? Yeah. I could just go to sleep and smell this. I'm like, I don't want to smell my stink breath. I'm gonna wake up immediately. But my breath don't stink. I just have bad breath in the morning, and I brush my teeth immediately. Okay? Cause everybody wanna have stink breath all day. Oh, guys, look at this, honey. I'm sorry. Look at this, honey. I know this is gonna be the cutest one. I might bring one of these to school. Actually, maybe not, because people are gonna try to touch it. And I'm not gonna touch. Yeah, I'm not bringing it to school. Never mind. But yeah, if I could bring it to school, it would be so much fun to play with. Let's move this. Put it in the middle. Boom. Guys, look at it. It's so cute. So cutie, cutie, beauty, beauty. Look at the patterns. Okay, honey. It kind of has like something to mold it. Even though the horns are gonna be under. Is this good? Wait, I don't know. Okay, moonwalk. Why do I keep on forgetting about this? Okay, now let's rock and roll. Put it in here. Guys, we should put both of them this time because that'll only make the most sense. Let's bring it up. Bring it up. Bring it up. Sorry, guys. Bring it up. Bring it up. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. I keep on forgetting this. I feel like it's gonna cut it a little bit more. Just so I can like open it. Move! Oh my goodness. Oh! We don't talk about that corner. that corner is where all the trash goes. And this corner, we don't have to say much about it. All the glory is for moi. Because I'm the glorious queen. I was about to say king, but I'm not a boy. Okay. Oh my goodness, bro. Guys, I'm mixing it. Oh. Okay, guys, let's mix. Oh my goodness, I'm mixing both of them. I'm mixing both of them. Guys, listen. Bro, y'all have to listen. I can hear it. One more time. Last time for real. I don't think y'all can hear it. Oh my goodness. Like, oh my goodness. Got it. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's actually do it. So amazing. Like, my goodness, it's so fabulous. Let's put you over here. So cute. So glamorous. Put them over there. You're not right. I guess the blue was a okay idea. I mean, the green. It looks like blue and green at the same time. Oh, not you ripping. Hold up. That might put the score down. But I don't know. Man, I don't know. Maybe I was just doing it too fast. Because you see, like, when you like, you see? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's cut this piece. So, like, when you do it too fast like this, it rips. But if you do it slow like this, boots, that's my ego. You see, that goes fast. I just want to put like a little piece of it this time. Cut. Let's just do one thing with it and then we're gone. Oh my goodness. Ooh. I know that y'all hear that. Okay. Let's put you in. And let's just play with a small piece. My goodness, this is so like relaxing. This feels like mini. I know it's mini, but like it feels mini. It looks mini. And it is mini. So it fits the characters. The character's so good. I don't even know how I'm talking right now. Cause I'm saying a whole bunch of words and they do not match up. I think I need to just relax. And yeah. So I guess, wait, hold on. So I guess let's put the charm on. I don't want to cut. Let me just cut it because I'm not going to use my teeth again. I put on the top now and done. And done. So yeah. Wait, hold on. Let me pull it. I literally passed out from the goodness of the smell. Honey, that deserves the cake. Third, second, and what do you know? First, let's go on the podium that I made. Let's put all the trash, all the scissors. Why? So, y'all can line up. So for third, we have I don't even know the name. Let's just put let's just put dinosaur, dragon. For second, we have mushroom girl. And I have cloud. I'm playing with cloud slime. Now, and I'm playing with cloud slime. So just if y'all wanted to know. And what takes the cake is first. Y'all cannot stand the original. So yeah, guys, if y'all are new to the channel, y'all should know what to do already, judging on this video. Like, subscribe, and turn on notification bells. And the subscribe is for everybody. The like is for everybody. And the post notifications is for everybody. And comment, please, and thank you. So I'll see you later. Bye, guys. My bestie. Bye. Sorry.